What's up everybody, it's your boy Theo, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what it is like to live in Alaska. Now I don't live in Alaska no more, but from 2017 to about 2020 I was living in Alaska, bro. I was living in Fairbanks, which has nothing out there, and some roads don't even have street lights. So yeah, we go get. The first thing you gotta understand, bro, it's not a lot of airports out there. It's probably an airport in I think it's like 3 airports. Yeah, I think it's like 3 airports. It's one in a city, I don't know its name. And then there's one in Anchorage, and there's one in Fairbanks. I'm not sure about all the other ones. It might be more, but from Fairbanks to Alaska, it was like how I was living in Alaska. Now, a lot of people don't even know this, but in Alaska, there's 6 months of light and 6 months of darkness. But the 6 months of light, the 6 months of light, sun never goes down. Sun stays out 24/7, and the 6 months of darkness is not really darkness, it's just gloomy all day. Like the sun still comes out, but the sun hits from behind the clouds at around like 11 to 1, and every day you get like an extra minute or extra hour or something like that. So that at first when I got to fucking Alaska for the first time, that was kind of tough, because I had never had no 6 months. Because when I first got out there, it wasn't snowing. Yeah, it wasn't snowing. It was pretty warm. And when did I get out there? Like March, April. I think I got out there like April or some shit like that. I gotta look it up. But anyway, you get out there, and I was out there during sunrise. The sun was out the whole time, but I didn't know nobody, so I didn't go outside. I didn't walk on base. I didn't do nothing. I remember I went to sleep, and I woke up and I looked outside, and it was bright as fuck, and it was 3 in the morning. I said, what the fuck? Where the fuck am I at, bro? Like, this shit is crazy. But it's not that bad. Like, some people be like, bro, I can't live in the snow. I can't live in the cold. I'm like, bro, if you really think about it, like when it snows, people just don't go outside. They just stay in the house. Duh. It's simple. It's just that simple, bro. It's really, you not gonna be cold. I tell you like this, you only gonna be cold for a couple seconds. You only gonna be cold from the time you walk from the building to your car, or the time you walk out from the store to your car. Like, it's never like too cold where it's just unbearable in the city, bro. Like, it's not, it's cold, but bro, honestly, once it hit like -40, once it hits like -40, yeah, once it hits like -40, you be good, bro. Once it hits -40, then it go back to -10, you gonna be taking your jackets off. You gonna be in regular hoodie. You gonna be in shit that I'm in right now, sweats and this and regular shoes. But like, if you don't like the snow, if you like the snow, I would suggest to like go out there and travel. Go to Chena Hot Springs, go to Anchorage, go to Seward, and yeah, go to Fairbanks too, because Fairbanks is kind of like the countryside. Like, they still have bonfires. We was doing a lot of things. Like, you out there, it wasn't really much. And we didn't have mall. We didn't have a lot of malls. We didn't have nothing really. All we had was Walmart, Target, a couple gas stations. We really didn't have much, in one movie theater. But after COVID, the movie theater just shut down, and then that shit just never opened back up. But it's crazy because, like, you'll be out there and you'll be thinking, like, damn, it's not even that. It's cold as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna cap. When I first felt that cold, I was like, damn, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, when I went to Iraq, bro, oh, mind you, let me start over. So I lived in Alaska for 4 years, right? I went to 2017, I got to Alaska. I went to my unit, 574th. Yeah, 574th, and it was cool at first, because it was no snow. But then when it was like, oh yeah, around Halloween time, that's when it started snowing. Like right now, what's now? Yeah, right now, August, September, October. August is still hot. It's still hot, but the mosquitoes are crazy, bro. I remember I looked at something. I read something on Google, said there's 12 trillion mosquitoes that come out every year in Alaska, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy, but yeah, I was there for 4 years, and I thought somebody was trying to come in. I was there for 4 years, and the crazy thing is, I loved it. Like, it's weird. Like, people be like, bro, you black, you're not supposed to be liking the snow. I'm like, bro, it was cool. You go in the house, ain't nobody trying to break in your house. Ain't nobody really trying to fuck with you, because everybody doing their own thing. Like, it's everybody stay in their own business, everybody stay in their own lane. And like, bro, and then a crazy thing is, if you an Alaska citizen, they will pay you. They will pay you for being a citizen, because don't nobody really want to go there, but they don't understand Alaska is bigger than most of the United States. Alaska alone is bigger than most of the United States. But Canada didn't want it. Canada didn't want it for some reason, and it's right next to Russia. Like, when you go to the tippy top of Alaska, you can see Russia across the way. But yeah, what it's like to live out there. Okay, it's actually pretty cool. Besides, like, they have nice, like, people think they don't have nothing. No, they have nice restaurants, they have bars, they have weed shops, they have Walmart, Target, they have everything you need. But it allowed me to let me know I don't need a lot of stuff. Like, I don't need a lot of stuff. I need a store or two to go to get my food. I got a movie theater right down the street, but everything is driving distance. You gotta have a car. But like, it just humbled me, really, because a lot of things we didn't have, and I'm like, yeah, we ain't got this, we ain't got that, and then people were like, damn, I know you hate it, and I'm like, nah, I be good, I be chilling, because I still got the movie theater. If the movie theater ain't open, I got movies in my room. I ain't tripping on that at all, bro. You feel me? So that's one thing that I love about it. I really fucked with it. And a lot of people was nice. Like, really, a lot of people that was there ain't never been nowhere, bro. Like, that is crazy. And it's crazy that black people been living there for the longest, bro. Black people live in Alaska. Can you believe that, bro? Black people live in Alaska. When I seen that shit, I was like, oh damn. When people say, yeah, I'm from here, I'm like, what? No, you're not. Like, you gotta be from Texas or something. No, I'm from here. I'm from Alaska. Like, it's crazy when you meet somebody that's black, that's from Alaska, you think it's all white people. No. Everywhere you go, there's black people, bro. But it's just amazing. Like, the culture they have. Like, you could be driving down the street and you will see a family of moose across the street. You will see a bear somewhere. You'll see Wolverine, you'll see small little animals, but a lot of the animals won't fuck with you as long as you don't get too close to them. You try to fuck with it, it's gonna fuck with you. It's just that simple. I ain't never got attacked by no animal, because I ain't never, every time I seen it, I even seen wolves up close. I was like, I'm not fucking with them, and they didn't bother me. But it gets to a point where it's like, bro, it was cool, really. It's really not that bad living out there. Besides the sunshine 24/7, just get the blackout curtains, bro. You get the blackout curtains, and the blackout curtains, it closes all your shit. Like, it completely darks your room. Like, get the blackout curtains and you solid. You can get some blackout curtains for like $40-50 out there, bro. And then when COVID had happened, you know how much gas was? $1.50. I think it was like $2.80 off base. $2.85. Yeah, like $2.85 off base. But on base it was like $1.50. And I'm sitting there like, bro, why wouldn't people want to stay here? Why wouldn't, like, people just don't want to stay there because it's snowing. But when you realize, damn, the snow is actually not that bad. When you live in snow, you realize it's not that bad. You realize you do wanna go to a hotter climate, because you like the hotter climate. You don't like being cold. But it's really not that bad, bro. Ain't nobody gonna bother you. You really gonna be chilling. It's an open carry state. So if you got a gun, boom, you can have your gun. You can have your gun on your waist in a holster with an extended clip, and have it shown by everybody, and be just chilling and walk around the store like it's nothing. You feel me? And ain't nobody gonna say shit, really. Ain't nobody gonna say shit. Like, it's just an open carry state. And I would suggest, if you do live out there though, you get a truck. You get a truck. You gotta get some type of truck, something to help you get out the snow, get in and out the snow, because you will get stuck. You will get stuck driving on the snow. Driving on the snow is more harder than people think, because it's ice. It's not just rain. Rain, you can stop. Snow, you stop whenever it wants you to stop. So some of the roads might have black ice on it, and in that black ice, you're gonna be like, okay, you stopping, but your car is still going, and you can hit somebody doing that. But that's why people, like, some people don't even get mad when you hit them, because they already understand, like, the snow. But if you driving, if it ain't nobody on the road, you can speed. But if it's traffic everywhere, be careful, bro, because you will go off the road, you will crash. Like, bro, it's so much dangerous stuff that can happen. But also, it's actually so much to do, but you just gotta drive out to it. Like 20-30 minutes from where I was living at was Chena Hot Springs, and it's like a pool where it's a hot tub the whole time, but it could still be snowing, it could still be cold as fuck, but you have this hot tub, and it's just a place where it's just hot tubs everywhere, and you can get a room there, you can chill there, you can do whatever the fuck you want there, and it's gonna be cool. And what else? Denali is like 3 hour drive. But when you think about it, don't drive at night, bro. Don't drive at night unless you got some good eyes. Don't drive at night, because you're not gonna be able to see a motherfucking thing. I'm gonna tell you like this, right? I remember I was driving to Denali one day, and I was going to see this girl, right? And Denali is like right before Anchorage. So I was like, it was Eskimo. So I was chilling, I was doing my thing. Then I was like, bro, I've been driving for 2 hours and haven't seen one street light. Like, it's a road, bro. It's just trees. It ain't no houses. It's some where you bust into towns. You bust into a town, and then it's just one road that go into the town, then there's one road that go into that town, then it's a big ass gas station right here, then it's a bunch of little stores right there. That's it. That's all they got. And it was like, damn, I've been driving for 2 hours and I didn't see no street lights. That's when I knew I fucked up. And it was dark as hell, and I couldn't just turn around. So I had to keep going, because, like, imagine you on a road. Imagine this, you're on a road, you have your car, you have your lights on, everything, you're listening to your music, you're chilling, you're just driving, and the road comes straight, and then it has some curves to it, you know, like a regular road, and then around you is just trees. It's no houses, it's no gas stations, it's nothing, it's no light. The only light you got is the stars and the moonlight, and that shit is not good enough, because at any time a moose can come into your car, you hit the moose and it's over with, bro. So but other than that, bro, Alaska was amazing to me. I loved it. Like, if I wasn't in the army, I probably would live out there. I probably would definitely live out there. Because it wasn't really expensive like that. It wasn't too expensive, and it's so much to do. You just gotta drive to some shit, bro. And oh, another thing, you're gonna waste more gas out there, but gas is cheaper out there. You're gonna waste more gas during the winter time, because you will waste more gas just turning on your car and letting your car sit and letting your car warm up, because it'd be so cold in the morning that sometimes your door freeze shut, your windows are freeze. Like, it's bad. It gets cold, and you gotta just sit there and just warm your shit up. Just warm your shit up for like 20 minutes. Come back in, your shit warm. You can turn on your windshield wipers. Everything good, bro. Once your car is warm, you can come in your car. But once it's cold, do not step in your car. You can get frostbite, your toes gonna be hurting, your body gonna be hurting, everything gonna be cold. Like, it's gonna get bad, bro. So some rules I have living out there, bro. Don't fuck with the animals unless you hunting. Don't fuck with the animals. Go outside and explore some shit, no matter how cold it is. Get out your house, get out your room, go explore some shit, because you can go on hikes. You can go on hikes, you can go ice fishing, you can go anywhere, bro. You can go to Anchorage for a weekend, bro. Like, you go to Anchorage, and Anchorage got way more stuff. Anchorage more like a city vibe. Or you can go to some of these small towns. You feel what I'm saying? And okay, I got that. And what else would I have for you? I would say just be nice to people, bro. Everybody out there in Alaska is nice. There's some people that's angry for no reason, but majority of people are nice out there. So just be nice to people. Just be nice to people. Don't fuck with the animals. Always take somebody with you and let somebody know where you're going. Let a friend know where you're going. So just in case something happens and you don't come back, they can be like, hey, this person went here. Last time they pinged their location here. Right, because I've been stuck so many times in so many different situations. I had to call people, and some of the places that you at might not have service, so you just stuck until somebody drive past and decide to help. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. It was all over the place, but living in Alaska is a great place to live. It's a great place to live. It was for me. It was for me. It's a great place to live, but it's a lot more out there, right? Because people just, like, a lot of people was like, I hate this place, I hate this place, I hate this place. And I'm sitting there, have you been here? Have you been here? Have you been here? Have you been here? Have you been dog sledding in the mountains? No. Have you climbed a glacier or some shit? No, I haven't did none of that shit. Exactly, that's why you hate the place. You can go to the top of the mountain and do dog sledding with the Huskies, bro. With Malamutes and shit, bro. Like, you can do so many things. You can do so many things, but people just don't know what to do. If you want to know what to do, a travel guide, put it down in the comment. Put it down in the comments. I'm gonna make an ebook on a travel guide to Alaska. I'm gonna give you all the best excursions that I did when I was living there for 4 years, and I'm gonna give you the best places to be. Best places to be. Whether you want to be alone, whether you want to be around people, I'm gonna give you the best places to be. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe on my video. Like, comment, subscribe on my channel. What am I talking about, bro? Like, comment, subscribe on the video, bro. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? I feel like I gotta be more natural. You feel me? Like, I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying right now. Like, for real. But I'm about to make an ebook on the travel guide to Alaska, and I'm gonna make an ebook on other things, bro. And they're gonna be in the link down below. I'm about to make the ebook like right now. It probably take me a day or two, but we gonna get it done. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will have my other channels linked down below as well. So check those out as well, and check out my other social medias. It's actually in the video. I know you see it. I know you see it somewhere down here. Come on, check out my pages. You feel me? Check out my pages. Actually, you don't have to. I don't really care. You don't have to. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. My name is Steve.